Hi friends, today I am back with a very important video. It's regarding what exactly you need to upload now so that you get a great sale in the month of May. Okay, not only in the month of May, if you upload this topic, I can guarantee, it's my guarantee, yes, I can assure you in a written stamp paper that if your content is good and relevant enough, you will get a lot of sales in upcoming month. I hope you have guessed it. Okay, if you have guessed it, it's fine, you stop watching this video, right? But if you have not, keep watching this video. Right, so here's a lot of wind, you might get some wind noises. Anyway, so what am I talking about? You always know if there is some upcoming event, especially world event, if you create photos and illustration and graphics related to that event, your sales will skyrocket, right? And that upcoming event is the World Cup in Qatar, right? The World Cup in Qatar is coming, it will be held in the month of October, right? And before that, all posters, banners, flyers, everything related to the World Cup will be constructed, and they will download your graphic, your vectors, your photos from stock photography agency if it is good enough, right? So the official Shutterstock list for the month of May is all about World Cup in Qatar. So football, a very beautiful game. If you give a photo that consists of many interracial, intergender players, so you need model releases regarding them. Just focus on the football game itself. You can focus macro shots on the football graphics. You can add stunning graphics, stock videos related to football and soccer, family playing football, enjoying the game. And also the city of Qatar will play a very important role. It's a Middle East city, so you just please do some research in the internet, what kind of photos the native Qatari people or the city looks like. Create graphic, illustration, videos regarding that theme, and your sales will skyrocket. See, for those who are actually living in Qatar, it's a golden opportunity for you, or for that matter the Middle East city. You can easily simulate what will happen in Qatar. And for those who are watching my video in India, guys like me, you have to be creative. Focus your content on football, soccer, Qatar World Cup, anything related to soccer, and I can guarantee that your sales will skyrocket. Alright guys, so I hope you have liked this video. Please give this a try. If you don't try, you won't get any sale, but if you try, if you can create pictures, videos related to this theme, your sales will really go high. It's my guarantee. You try and let me know after the end of 2-3 months that how was your sale on this experiment, right? So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are one of them who are watching my content regularly, but if you are not subscribing, please do subscribe. It gives me a little joy if I see the subscriber number rising, right? I put a lot of research and hard work in my spare time. You know, I'm a doctor, but I also love photography. So my goal is, all of you who love photography, you can also earn some money for fun as a passive income. All right, I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.